Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Channel name is Munib Horticulturist. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is dates ripening. This topic is selected by me just because of this is a current affair of horticulture nowadays. Ripening of dates on date palms is a process which repeats itself every year, and it is accomplished by the process of cross pollination and some other cares. Dates ripening is a very simple and systematic procedure in which the sequence matters. If any of the sequel is dismissed from its sequence line, ripening of dates could be affected badly. All these steps we can perform at home very easily. The steps involved in dates ripening are, first of all, remove all the fruit bunches. You can see in this video, these are the fruit bunches of date palms. Remove all the fruit bunches from trees while we notice the dates are turning yellow, turning reddish or turning yellow to brown, and this duration is a very short duration. Then put all these removed fruit bunches in store for 1 to 2 days. Then remove the ripened dates from the bunches with great care. Even the caps of the dates must be safe, otherwise moisture can be accumulated inside and dates can be spoiled as soon as possible. Then clean and segregate the ripened dates from the spoiled dates, because spoiled dates can spoil the fresh dates easily. Then put these cleaned and segregated dates in sunlight for sun dry at least for 4 to 5 days. But it depends upon the intensity of sunlight. If the sunlight is soft, we can put it for 4 to 5 days. If the sunlight is hard, we can put it for 2 to 3 days only. Remember that shuffle all these dates every morning so that the maximum of the moisture can be eliminated. Then remove all these dried dates from sunlight and put it in store again. Do the dusting of these dates again. Do the cleaning of these dates again. Then dip these dried, segregated and ripened dates in coconut oil for better shelf life. And at the end, put all these ripened dates in boxes either for sale or for gifts. All these steps we must have to follow step by step. Procedure following is compulsory in this case. Otherwise, if any of the mishandling there, dates can be damaged, and these damages can be like dates would be spoiled, dates wouldn't be ripe, dates would be sour in taste, dates would be moistured with less shelf life, dates would be diseased by bacterial and viral infections, dates would be non-edible, dates would be attacked by insects and pests. In the end, one thing to mention, as we will ripe the dates, as we will eat the dates, the end product would be seeds of dates. These seeds of dates must not be thrown off. These must be saved for replanting, and in the future we would have much more saplings of date palms. Next, I'll come with a new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.